Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about how you can manifest money, ego. So in this video, it will be a step by step, and I will tell you a life story of how a guy was able to transform himself from becoming a prisoner to becoming a multi-million dollar personnel. So in this video, I will be showing you everything, both the story. In fact, I will be showing you the video itself so that you can see that this thing is possible. Let's see the intro.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Guys, welcome back. So as I said before the intro, that in this video I will be I will be telling you a story of how a guy, his name is Wesley, so how he was able to transform himself, his mindset and everything from being a prisoner to becoming a multi-million dollar, in fact building a multi-million dollar company. So this seems to be impossible, but I'm telling you this thing is possible. In fact, I'm sharing this story with you because I was given that privilege from him to share the story. So I would like also for you to check the link of the video is at the first section, or it will be the first link below this video at the description box, so you can check the video, check the full story of him. It was one time an army in the United States. So from becoming an army, he had maybe he had an issue. Then he was withdrawn from the army. Then he started going from prison to prison, from prison to prison, and something happened for him. He was able to discover a secret that transformed his life, and he has given that opportunity now to tell people about the secret. So that secret is what you can watch in the video below this. You can watch in that video, so you can go now and check up the video, or you can still.
Hey there, Mr. Wesley Virgin. Here's my testimonial onto Overnight Millionaire. Started January 1st. Listen to it religiously every night, my boyfriend and I. We are reading Dr. Joe's book, about to start the meditation chapter next week. Keeping a journal, our daily perfect days. So far, everything is amazing. Just manifesting money. Everything is coming to us easy with all our affirmations, everything we've learned from you. I've been posting links daily on all the entrepreneur sites on Facebook, on Reddit, on the forums. In 1 week, I've had 500 hits. I'm excited. And I thank you for all that you've done. You've retrained my brain because I used to be a really bad person, meaning just not nice. I'm a New Yorker, my attitude. And since I've been listening to you, following the laws of attraction, I talk to the universe every day, my positive affirmations, got my vision board. I am a better person. I am loved. I am more caring. I am happy every day. Life is fantastic. And I just want to thank you for advertising that program. So lucky to have found you. Everything you say and do is magical. You have made my life so much better than what it is. I came out of a very horrible 19-year abusive relationship, verbal, not physical, thank God. But you have changed my ways. I've forgotten the past. I forgot the person I was with that man for 19 years. I am loved by a new man. Life is amazing. Life is great. And your program is amazing. I'm promoting it daily, almost every other hour on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat. Much love.
Or you can still listen to me as I'm going to tell you the story. So the guy, the parents are the parents are pastors. So, but they are from a poor background, poor family in the United States. So he opted to go for military, as going as a military after his school. That's how it happened. He was able to join the military. From military, they got him off the military and he started going from prison to prison due to he was in a bad environment. So something happened for him that he got that secret, and that secret is what he said has made him to be so rich. So I'm wondering, do manifestations really happen in terms of richness, in terms of you becoming rich? but the guy have proven it. He have proven that it's really possible for you to become rich through manifestation. And he has said that he's going to teach people. He's going to do it for them and tell them how they can manifest anything they want. So, guys, just listen to him through the video, hear from him, hear from the horse's mouth, and know what he has said about it. Maybe your story might be the same thing with him, or your story might be similar. You might be looking for who will help you to manifest the good things you have been thinking. Maybe the story can change your life also. So I urge you and I plead with you that you check the video, listen to him, hear his story. The story was shocking. The story was terrifying, but the story is inspiring. If you can see someone coming from the becoming an army to becoming a prisoner to becoming a multi-million, don't you see any something to be happy about? To tell you the truth. So check the link below the video